Today we will learn about tangent and normals. You will see how you can find slope of tangent and normals. So first of all, we talk about slope. All of you know that slope of a line, if a line makes angle theta with the x-axis, then slope m is equals to tan theta. If theta is not given, 2 points are given from which line is passing, x2, y2, x1, y1, then slope is given by m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. ये हमने क्लास 11 में पढ़ा था, स्लोप ऑफ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 2 पॉइंट्स. So we can find slope by using theta, or if 2 points are given, we can find slope of line by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Same way, we can find slope m by using derivative dy by dx or f dash x. Slope is also given by derivatives dy by dx, f dash x, that also has same meaning of slope of line. So now we talk about slope of tangent. If you have any curve, this curve has many points and we can draw infinite tangent at each, and there are at points, different points. But at particular point, if we draw a tangent, suppose this is tangent, and tangent at this point is x0, y0. Point is x0, y0. At this point, a tangent is drawn, and tangent is also a line. So whenever we talk, we say slope of tangent means slope of this line. This line is tangent. And normal is line perpendicular to tangent. Normal is perpendicular to tangent. So tangent and normals are both straight lines. Tangent makes angle theta with the x-axis at the point x0, y0, and normal is also at the point x0, y0. Slope of tangent is dy by dx at the point x0, y0, or f dash x at the point x0, y0, and the curve is y is equals to fx. So we can find slope of tangent. Or if theta is given, we can write slope of tangent is m is equals to tan theta. Second thing, we know that tangent is a line and tangent is passing through the point x0, y0. Then we also know that equation of line y minus y1, which passes through a given point, and slope m is given by this. So here equation of tangent is y minus y0 In place of m we can write dy by dx at x0 y0 into x minus x0, or we can say y minus y0 f dash x at x0 y0 x minus x0. So this is the equation of tangent, because tangent is a straight line. Now if this tangent is parallel to x axis, if this line, tangent line parallel to x axis, slope is equals to 0, or we can say dy by dx is equals to 0. dy by dx at the point x0 y0 is equals to 0, and dy by dx 0, then equation of tangent become y minus y0 is equals to 0, or y is equals to y0. So in case tangent is parallel to x axis, the equation of tangent is y is equals to y0 and slope of tangent become 0. If tangent is parallel to y axis, second case, if tangent is parallel to y axis, then slope of tangent dy by dx at x0 y0 is equals to not defined or 1 upon 0, is not defined or 1 upon 0. And then equation of tangent y minus y0 is equals to 1 upon 0 x minus x0. By cross multiplication you will get x minus x0 is equals to 0, or x is equals to x0. In this case, the value of x is equals to x0 when tangent is parallel to y-axis. So in this way, you can see what are the properties of tangent. Tangent may be parallel to x-axis, y-axis. Then we come to normal. Normal is a line which is perpendicular to tangent. Normal is also a line which is perpendicular to tangent. And we know that if two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is minus 1. So product slope of normal into slope of tangent is also minus 1. Or we can say slope of normal is equals to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Is equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx at the point x0, y0, or minus 1 upon f dash x0 and y0. So this is the slope of normal. Then we can find equation of normal. Normal is also passing through the point x0, y0, and this is also a line, so we can write same way equation of line. that is equation of normal. Equation of normal y minus y0 minus 1 upon dy by dx at x0 y0 into x minus x0, or we can say y minus y0 minus 1 upon dy by dx at x0 not dy dx f dash x. x0 y0 x minus x0. So in this way you can find equation of normal. Now you see some questions on the basis of tangent and normal. Exercise 6.3, question number first, if we have y equals to 3x4 minus 4x and x into 4, and we want to find out slope of tangent and slope of normal. Slope of tangent we can get by differentiating this. Dy by dx is 12x cube minus 4. Slope of tangent is equals to dy by dx at x is equals to 4 is equals to 12 into 4 cube minus 4. Or you can take 4 common, 12 into 4 square minus 1. 4, 12 into 16 minus 1. 4 into 16 to the 32, 16 1 the 16, 192 minus 1. 4 into 191. 4, 3, 7. So it is 764. Slope of tangent. And we want to write slope of normal. Is equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx at x is equals to 4 is equals to minus 1 upon 764. Next is question number 3. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y equals to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point where x coordinate is 2. So same way you can find here slope of tangent y equals to x cube minus x plus 1. So you can find dy by dx 3x square minus 1, and slope of tangent dy by dx at x is equals to 3. 3 into 3 square minus 1. 27 minus 1 is 26. So we can find slope of tangent. Then question number 5. Find the slope of normal to the curve and axial to cos theta cube y equals to sin theta cube at theta pi by 4. X is equals to a cos theta cube. Y is equals to a sin theta cube. And theta is equals to pi by 4. And we have to find slope of the normal. So first of all, you'll find dx upon d theta, 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta. So minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta. Then we find dy by d theta, 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Dy by d theta is equals to 3a sin square theta cos theta. And now we can find dy by dx. Dy by dx is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is 3a sin square theta into cos theta upon minus 3a sin theta cos square theta. So dy by dx is equals to 3 to 3 cancel, sin to sin cancel, cos to cos cancel. We will get minus sin theta upon cos theta is equals to minus tan theta. So dy by dx is minus tan theta. And theta is pi by 4. So you have to find slope of normal. Slope of normal is minus 1 upon dy by dx at theta pi by 4. So value is minus 1 upon minus 10 pi by 4. 1. So slope of normal is 1. Then question number 7. Find points at which tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis. Find point on the curve. Y is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Y is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7, where tangent is parallel to x-axis. If tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx is equals to 0. So here, first of all, we will find dy by dx. 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Dy by dx is equals to 3 common x square minus 2x minus 3. So dy by dx 3 into x square minus 3x plus x minus 3. dy by dx 3 x common, x minus 3, 1 common, x minus 3. dy by dx 3 x minus 3 into x plus 1. Here tangent is parallel to x axis. Tangent is parallel to x axis. So dy by dx is equals to 0. This implies 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x shall do 3 and minus 1. So the value of x is 3 and minus 1. If x is equals to 3, we can find y. 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. So y is equals to 27 minus 27 minus 27 plus 7. So y is equals to minus 20. If x is equals to minus 1, then y is equals to minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. माइनस 1 का क्यूब हो जाएगा माइनस 1 माइनस 3 प्लस 9 प्लस 7. So minus 4 plus 16 is 12. So it means there are 2 points. Required points are required points are 3 and minus 20 and minus 1 and 12. At these points, tangents are parallel to axis. Tomorrow we'll see some more questions on tangent and normal. Till then, goodbye.